Perfect. Let's get started, friends. Need your support. Please make sure, friends, we write our observation notes if possible. Keywords, okay, important keywords if possible. Things are a bit vast, very interesting. I'll make them interesting, but let's make sure we're active in our class, okay? I need it. We'll be having questions, clarifications for every session after every example repetition. I repeat, we'll have the example first, repetition next. Then we'll decide the questions throughout the course, right from today's class. Let's get started slowly, step by step on what is database administration and what we do. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. And today we are understanding how to configure our lab, a multi-server environment, to start our practice. We'll first understand for 5-10 minutes what is database, what is SQL, what is database administrator, who is DBA, and how we are going to doctor the database or nurse the database. Let's start from the scratch carefully. So first 10 minutes introduction, and then we'll proceed for the actual lab configuration. As a database administrator, we are completely into management, maintenance, service of data. In olden days, we used to store data in files, right? Excel files, PDF, etc. And now we have the concept of database to store any amount of data, any type of data, fully secured. Remember, fully secured. So security is our first activity as a DBA, mostly by later next week classes, because this week, next week, we need to concentrate on the basics, fundamentals. By later next week, we need to step into the main DBA activities: security, optimizations, high availability, disaster recovery, something called clusters, and so on. We'll do it carefully, step by step. So in our classes, first from scratch, we need to learn what is database. We need to learn how to construct database. So for that, we need installations. Then we are going to learn the entities or the organs of the database body. Assume database is my body. It has multiple parts. Yes, database has multiple parts, like we said, tables, synonyms, schemas, and something called partitions, indexes, statistics, views, procedures, functions, triggers, rules, roles, etc. There are 30 plus organs in a database, remember that. And as a DBA, we should know what is what and then start managing it. So chapters 1 to 11 on my screen are about the actual architecture and the what is what concepts, the basement. From chapter 12, we'll start the main DBA activities. Please, hope you got some idea now. Please, everyone, 1 to 11 basement, from 12th chapter actual DBA concepts. Please, everyone, you got some idea, please? I'll wait. Yes, please, everyone, please, hope you got some idea, please. You are with me, everyone, please, I'll wait. Mic with you all, please confirm, please, I'll wait. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we got some idea. Yeah.
Your voice is coming little late, sir.
Is it others? Is my voice clear, everyone, please? I'll wait, please.
Yes,
Others?
clear.
Your video.
Voice is clear.
Video little bit lag, sir. Yeah.
Delay. Yeah.
Voice
I'll
is
do
clear.
It's clear. Others, please. Is it clear now? Please, everyone. Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Is it clear then? I think it should be clear now, right? Yes. Wait. I'll just mute and unmute everyone now. Is my voice clear now, please? I'll wait. Please. Is my voice clear now, please? I'll wait.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
clear. Yeah.
Fine then. Fine, friends. Let's continue. So first 1 to 11 chapters, we need to concentrate on the basement, and there our resume shape will be decided. Really, let me be clear. Okay, the way we learn, the way we think, the way we apply the concepts carefully, it gives us nice foundation for the remaining items, because we are more into troubleshooting, tuning, what we say RCA, root cause analysis, and so on. For core DBA concept chapter 12 to 33, then Azure DBA remaining items right side. So our classes includes foundation first, basic advanced DBA concepts next. Foundation first, basic advanced DBA concepts next. Common for everyone, initial 6 weeks. And then we need to proceed for Azure DBA. Without core, there is no Azure. 99.99% dependency. We enjoy Azure based on our comfort and love on the core DBA. Let's continue. Let's understand now what is database administration, what we do as a DBA in more detail for next 3 to 5 minutes, and then we go for questions followed by installation. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. No restrictions, no exceptions. Here we have one software called SQL Server. It is a database management system, DBMS software, to store databases of any size, unlimited users. And remember, any type, any size of data, no limit at all. Here, we can implement this SQL Server for storing databases. We can implement SQL Server either in your company's data center on premises or cloud, remote storage. We need to learn both. First 6 weeks, option 1, additional 4 weeks, 3.5 to 4 weeks, option 2. Okay, total 2 things we need to learn slowly, step by step. I'll provide you all these notes anyway. You'll take print copies of the notes. You'll be receiving the weekly notes in advance. Take a file, print copies, file them, or put them in a folder. Really, it works. I repeat again, complete class notes in advance every week. Kindly take print copies. My classes should be far lovelier than a regular in-house classroom training, because I'll be keeping track of everything. Let's love it carefully. Need your support. Good to write your observation notes. Only keywords enough. For example, DBMS. I'll just highlight database, SQL Server, DBMS, on-premises, cloud. You see the bold letters there. Enough to keep track of the things, the time travel of our course in future. Why SQL Server, you can ask me. Why not something else? We have other database systems. We have something like Sybase, Informix, Oracle. Yes. Again, price also important for the same features. Why SQL Server? Cheaper. Remember, we need to compare not just price. we need to compare even the features also, right? We need to balance the features and the price tag. We cannot directly go for something free, cheaper. 14,500 US dollars licensing free. It is about 15 to 20% less than Oracle. Bit higher than Sybase. So SQL Server is like the average level. It's not too cheap, not too cost comparatively. For enterprise applications, free support from Microsoft for all licensed holders, and you will be given access to our online server, a licensed copy, genuine licensed copy. I'll be guiding you for the lab plan in another few minutes. SQL Server is highly scalable. Scalable means it supports any operating system, remember, any OS, but Windows preferred. Free updates. We are going to learn in our later classes how to perform something called hotfix, updates, etc. We'll do carefully. Those updates are free of cost, easy uses, BI, business intelligence tools. Purpose of BI, big data analytics and reporting, easy management and big data support. To work with this SQL Server, for every resume, we need latest 2 versions to be installed. For experienced profile, let's think practically. For experienced profile, we need to put more number of, we have to mention more number of years in the projects, right? We need older version also. So today I have to provide you software for 3 versions on my screen. If anyone need older versions, do let me know, we can do. So 3 versions, we need to get them. You install at least one to start our classes. By second week of the course, we need to have second server also. Third server optional for your additional practice and reference and use for experienced profiles. Part of our classes, first 2 servers, to make it clear. And just like iPhone 13, 14, 15, like this. And we have Max Pro, right? Different models, different variants. Here we have various editions or flavors of SQL Server. You are going to use 2022 Enterprise, 2019 Developer. In Enterprise, a separate flavor called Enterprise Evaluation you'll be using in your local server. Our online server, you'll be connecting to our licensed copy, which is a true Enterprise edition. I repeat, you'll be connecting to a 6 months enterprise called Enterprise Evaluation, we call it. And another one, Developer, lifelong free. Additionally, we need to have access, all of us, to our online server as well. Licensed copy, which is a true lifelong Enterprise edition copy. You'll be given access to the server for 6 months from the date of registration. 6 months for the server access. It is going to cost us anyway, in fact, for every user we create. Prerequisites for server installations. Windows 8 or higher operating system with 8 GB RAM. Now you can ask me, Sai, you said scalable. Any OS will support. Now you are telling Windows, what is this? Yes, For free editions, Windows OS required. For paid licensed copies, any OS will work. There is a concept here. So I need to guide you how to perform installations and verify them with complete documentation, step-by-step notes and screenshots. As a DBA, we need to work with core, means non-cloud environment first, and then we'll proceed for cloud environment next. Okay, 2 levels. Starter profiles, you may opt for only first plan, enough. Experience profiles, you may need to have even certification also, DP 300 for SQL DBA. So certification needs cloud, resume needs cloud, do core plus Azure, both level 1, level 2. I repeat, plan A includes level 1, core DBA, and plan B includes level 1, level 2, both. Choice is yours. And I will be the caretaker for entire item, level 1 as well as level 2. I will be the trainer. I will be the caretaker for the entire course. So notes, material, very important for me. Assignments, I'll take care. On-time practice, on-time submission of assignments and case studies, you please take care. My kind request. Let's get started slowly with the installation process next. Before we proceed, as I said few minutes back, I'll mail you all this document. Kindly take print copy to be clear on what we need to learn. Chapter 1 to 33 in our modified curriculum, we have routine DBA activities, a 50-point checklist. I'll just get this item in this way to make it more easier for a single short preview. Here it is on my screen. Core DBA concepts. Of course, we'll start from the scratch, right from database concepts, database management, server management, environment management, etc., various modules. And in our journey, we need to learn answers for all these DBA activities. Routine DBA left, emergency DBA right. So we need to now change our thinking from today. I want you to think like, yes, you are a manager, you are a database manager, you are a database administrator, you are managing data, you are managing database. So what, how, where, when, these type of analytical thinking is important for us as a DBA. We are the database doctors. We need to check the health of the database. We need to check health of the server. We need to check health of the database. We need to check health of the tables, data, etc. So we are going to learn the architecture first, then step into management next. Participants who are into the next level, level 2, that is 33, right? 34. Attendees who are into the cloud activities, we have next items, about 40 items. On core Azure part, Azure, a Microsoft cloud platform. We need to learn from scratch cloud, introduction to cloud configurations, migrations, and very recently I added AI also. Technically, there's something called AI in our course. I'll show you a small item here to get some idea. Remember, AI cannot be seen as a separate technology now. It is part and parcel of our life. So every technology includes AI some way or the other. Few things which used to be done manually in the past are now slowly becoming automated. Hence, we have AI implementations. Any kind of automations, AI will be there. For example, I'll take you to my Azure account to show you one of the agenda items for practicing something called database tuning optimization activities in our classes, in which we use AI. I'll show you like this. I'll take a cloud environment, SQL database, our actual course, and there you see something called as like this, something like this. AI search we call Azure AI. Azure AI, Azure Artificial Intelligence, is a service which will be useful for optimizing the database performance. Remember, yes, we are going to use AI in our classes for optimizations, recovery strategies, to identify bottlenecks, blockings, to identify certain issues, if any, in the database. Once again, friends, our thinking should be like an admin, like a database doctor. Then learning becomes very smooth and straight. Trust me. Next, I'll provide you all these notes with the modified information. For more clarifications, I'll be available on this number or on my LinkedIn or on my website. Let's get started now slowly. How to step into installation? We need to have a multi-server environment. What is it? Multi-server environment. We'll do slowly, step by step. To make it clear, we are slowly understanding last 15-20 minutes what is database, what is DBMS software to manage databases, what is SQL Server and why. Cheaper, comparatively cheaper, okay? Not so cheap, remember. Comparatively cheaper, it has its own value for the features it supports. So it will not degrade its value by becoming so cheap again. See, everything matters, right? It's all about business. Next, because they have free support there, free updates, free Azure migrations, non-Azure, non-Microsoft Cloud migration support, free AI features, and lot of say hidden things are there. Hence, it has its own pricing tag. Versions of SQL Server 2022 latest version. Remember, we are going to install it today. 2019, the previous one, we are going to install today. Experienced participants, please install 2017 also. I'll provide the complete instruction sheet, and I will be available for your doubts and clarifications. Editions of SQL Server, different editions. We have something called Evaluation Edition, Developer Edition. We'll do the installations today. 2017, you can again install Evaluation Edition. Evaluation 6 months trial, developer lifelong free. Remember, I repeat, evaluation 6 months trial, developer lifelong free. We need to understand the difference between each of these versions and each of these editions. As a DBA, we are responsible to give recommendations about the edition, version, licensing, pricing for new projects, or For expansion of existing projects, we say commissioning new server in real world. As a DBA, we are responsible for audits, monitoring, housekeeping activities, repairs, troubleshooting, maintenance, etc. Next, if you are planning for certification, then go for this one, course plan. I'll say option one to make it clear. Core SQL DBA chapters will follow the curriculum carefully, 1 to 33. You already have this curriculum with you, I believe. Anyway, I'll be sending it once again today. Please take print copies of the same, at least two print copies. One for rough work area, like marking whatever you practiced, whatever I did in the class, whatever you revised, etc. Another one, a fair reference copy. Safe. Azure SQL DBA chapters 34 to 45. And here it is. This would be a 6 weeks journey, and option 2 would be total 10 weeks journey. Choose any one. Next, choose any one upfront so that we do not miss anything in our flow. There are few concepts in which I need to provide extra tasks for the participants who have enrolled for this particular option. Example, we have something called performance tuning. By the time we step into core DBA performance tuning, yes, we are at to start Azure. It goes in sequence, but additional orientation is required from the core DBA perspective on performance tuning. Some more in-depth understanding is required to step into migrations. So classes would be common, but there are few extra classes on this core DBA. So we have the 6 weeks. This actually 7 weeks or almost 6.5 weeks minimum, plus 3.5 weeks is equal to 10 weeks. That's how we plan it carefully. Extra items, extra derivations are required on core DBA in case if someone need to plan for Azure. So choice is yours. You choose anything as per your comfort. FAQs from today will start. I understand it's intro. We should know what is what we do as a DBA, why we are learning this course. We should know, right? Let's start from scratch. FAQs from today. Complete project, required solution for the resume. I will take care. Need your support again and again. I'm requesting you. On-time practice needed. Submit your FAQs on time or max by weekend. Max by that particular weekend you'll submit. All submissions will be to our website. From there, the entries go to our Google Sheet, and so that we get the complete record, what is what by end of the course, to plan your one-to-one resume and other services. Windows 8 or higher OS. I don't want to say like, oh, any OS is fine, you can join. No. Let's have zero compromise learning process, please. I repeat, for the sake of comfort, I may say like any OS is okay. No. For DBA activities, as far as our curriculum is concerned, we need to work with something called perfmon tools. What is it? Perfmon tools. Activity monitor tool, profiler tool, DTA tool, activity log, etc. Those are available in only Windows environment. SQL Server is supported in other OS also, but there are limitations. Windows have ultimate, awesome, ultimate performance and ultimate features. With this, let's proceed for installation. Each installation will take 3 minutes time. We need to do total 3 installations. We'll go there slowly. Any questions, please? Item 1 to 10. I'll be composing the email with all this content in the meantime. Please let me know. I'll wait. Please, mic with you all. I'll wait. Vasikar, Srinu, Satish, Sainath, Pavan, Nishita, Hartik, Ganesh. Please, any Chandu, Bhargav, please, I'll wait. Please.
Can we install this on Unix server, sir?
Sir, you can install only a part of the next activity, sir, using Linux, but for complete installation, Windows is required. I mean, here it is. Let me put this way. In our next activity, a second concept, we need to have the installation. This is our lab plan actually. We'll go there slowly. And here it is, brother, on my screen. In Linux, coming to the free editions of SQL Server, we cannot have these two. And we have to install an alternative for management studio tool called Azure Data Studio separately. So compromise learning, truly speaking, Windows the best for our course. Yes. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Yes, I installed SSMS tool and VMware tool.
Fine, no problem. So on top of VM, yes, you can do the server installations. I'll guide you anyway. That should be fine. Yes. Inside VM. Is it Windows VM? Let me know, please, Chandu. Is it Windows VM? Yep. Is it Windows VM or which virtual machine it is? Let me know. Cannot hear you. Please check your mic, please. I think it got muted. Please check it. Is it Windows VM, brother, or something else? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Cannot hear you. In the meantime, others, please. Any questions? Ganesh, Hartik, Nishita, Pavan, Sainath, Satish,
You
please,
repeat.
tell me.
Can you repeat, please? Actually, I disable voice before this discussion.
Fine, Ganesh, no problem. Yep. I'm saying Windows OS required, okay? Some way or the other, get your Windows OS ready. That's the bottom line. Yep. Fine. Yep. Next question, please.
Sir.
Hartik, please tell me, sir. Proceed. Yep.
Sir, yesterday actually one sir was showing how to install the applications. Will you show that again later? Or?
No, now only we'll do, sir. We are going to do it now. Okay, we'll do, sir. Yeah.
So online server means which install
We'll see, sir.
software?
We'll see, sir. We're about to start this journey now. We'll see one by one. Okay. Give me time. Let's get started. Before we proceed, hope you are clear until here, please. What is database, DBMS server, right? Why versions, editions? Clear, please, everyone, please. I'll wait. Clear so far,
Yes.
please. I'll wait. Yep. Others, please. Are we clear, please, everyone? Please. Are we clear? I'll wait. Are we clear, everyone?
Yes,
please. I'll wait. Fine, friends. Let's continue. Friends, I had one habit actually. In the initial demo classes, I'll provide the notes to attendees who are responsive for my questions. Okay, that's how I do. See, if I am active, right? I am cautious. Live interactive classes, that's important for me. For technical classes, who are all active, responding to the questions and submitting their handwritten keyword notes after the class, they get extra items. That's my habit for almost all these 18, 19 years. You do more, you get more. I do more, I get more. I'll continue. Reasons apart. We are in a class. Let's worship the subject. It is going to bless us. Let's get started now. Second item, how to install the software. For our classes, we need total 3 servers. Hence, I was using one term starting of the class today, the very beginning, first class for our course today. I was using one term, one particular term, multi-server. I said multiple servers. In your computer, you need to install 2 servers. How? I'll guide you. I will guide you. And you need to also install a tool to connect to your servers. But those 2 servers are free trial. One is lifelong free, other one 6 months trial. 6 months trial is powerful, but only 6 months. There are some limitations there as well. So we need our online server licensed copy. So I need to show you total 4 boxes, 3 arrow marks. We'll do slowly step by step. Each server installation takes total not more than 1.5 to 2, max 3 minutes. And then we need to go for tool installation. 2 servers, 2 to 3 minutes each. 2 servers and tool installation. Then we'll see how to test the connections. First, let's start the server installations. For this purpose, I'll provide the complete notes anyway. First, let me give you the notes for you first. Here it is. You have the same repeated prerequisites here. Install SQL Server total 2 times. You may ask me, Sai, why we are going for 2 installations? Yes, we need to for remote joins, distributed queries, examples in our classes, and install one studio tool. Just like this, friends, one browser, 2 websites, 1 tool, 2 servers, and test connections. So we are supposed to download, install, and during installation, it asks you to click on installation, new installation. Okay, I'll show you. Please observe carefully. You'll sing along with me in next 2 to 3 minutes. Let's repeat the lyrics together. Okay, let's get the song carefully. Observe carefully. I repeat, installation, new installation, accept licensing terms. Remember, there is something called database engine. It is a component inside Microsoft SQL Server software to support real-world databases, OLTP we call. We'll talk more about OLTP with examples from the very next class. For now, select the database engine, installation name, admin name. That's it. I repeat, only 4 things. Only 4 things. Accept licensing terms, database engine, installation name, admin name. Done. Install. I'll show you now all those 4 things carefully. Let's stay tuned. So for this purpose, I'll take you to my other computer. Please confirm. You are able to see my other computer, please. My other screen, please confirm.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's continue. Others, They are not responsive. I'm not sure if they're attentive or not. Please, it's a demo class for me. I have to filter my participants. My participants need to filter me. Then happy learning. Please help me. It may sound bit different for like recent university
Say, not
college
able to see
graduate.
your screen actually. It became a black screen for me now.
Okay, black screen. Then please reconnect again, brother, because I could see from my
Yep.
test connection everything is working fine. It's fine for others as well. Click on the software. See, software is there, right? I click. See, friends, this one. You'll download this software. You get a file like this. Okay. Right click, extract. You'll do it after the class. Let's stay tuned. Okay. Once we extract, we get a folder. We get a folder that has some subfolders, subdirectories, and subdirectories and setup file. You need to double click on the setup file. I repeat, we are all very new. Let's repeat carefully. Go to the downloaded file, right click, extract. Then we get a folder. Double click on the setup file. We get one installation center like this. Then installation left. Okay, next. Installation left. New installation right. Observe carefully here. Installation left, new installation right. I'll repeat it anyway, okay? I'll repeat it for 2019. Right now we are doing 2022 latest version. Installation left, new installation right. 2-1, remember 2-1. And next 2 installation, 1 new installation. Like this, I'll mark it for make it clear. 2-1. Please do these activities for tomorrow's class. Tell me when we are meeting next. Tomorrow or Monday? Please tell me. In the meantime, I'm waiting for next screen. Let me know. From when we
Monday.
can start our examples? Monday or tomorrow? Please tell me your
Monday, sir,
comfort.
Monday.
Monday.
Tomorrow.
Monday.
Monday. Sure, Monday confirm then.
Monday is
Because
Monday.
if I say tomorrow, few participants are absent for because of their, like other weekend activities. Monday again, they may not be able to enjoy the class. So let's think about everyone then. Confirmed. We are starting our classes from Monday and 11 a.m. India time. Yes, everyone, please. Monday,
Yes, sir.
11 a.m. India time. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
same time.
10th Feb.
Okay.
Make it clear.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Then I will be available tomorrow. Same link, same time for doubts, clarifications, installation issues, if any. Okay. I'll be there on WhatsApp anyway. Still better to log in live, right? In case to address the installation issues or any other kind of questions. So we have optional clarification class tomorrow. Next technical class Monday. In the meantime, what I'm doing, I'm silently saying next. Nothing else. Nothing else. Relax and next. Here, there is something called Azure. That is for our level 2. This is for our level 2, Azure Cloud. Okay. Level 1, I said core DBA. Level 2, we require this. For now, uncheck. We are in level 1. From Monday, we'll start level 1 DBA. Uncheck Azure. For now, database engine. See here, database engine. Next. Select database engine. Next. Let's see. Provide the server name. I'll call it as SQL DBA. I'll put in uppercase SQL DBA server 1. Next. Any name is okay. You might have some questions. We'll get them addressed after revision of this concept. I repeat, I just gave one server. Any name is okay, no problem. Next, admin name, you are done. Database engine and server name, add current user as admin, install. I'll repeat. Let's observe carefully. Before I repeat the process, remember, download, extract, setup file, then installation, new installation, accept licensing terms. What next? Database engine. Next, installation name, also called instance name. Remember, we are going to define all these in Monday's class anyway. We'll go into detail of each of these items. Then add current user as admin, install. That's it. 3 steps, 3 minutes max. I'll repeat the process, then we'll go for questions. Same thing, no difference. Download, extract, double click the setup file, installation, new installation, accept licensing terms, database engine, installation name, current user, install. Let's see. My installation is almost done for 2022. I'll close the other window, take you to the software download links in the meantime. 2019 next. Remember, I was showing you 2022. It's almost done. Another few seconds. Then give me another 5 minutes time to conclude the class. Okay, next 5 minutes please, only for today. 5 minutes please. Go to 2019, right click, extract. You get the folder. Inside folder, this one, right? Hope you remember. Double click on the setup file. I said we require totals 2 servers, right? We require 2 servers. Double click on the setup file. Earlier 2022, it's almost done. The SQL engine, SQL browser, those are the final items actually, finishing touch. Almost done. This is 2022. Now we have to slowly install 2019 also. Come on, how to install 2019? Where I have to click, please? You remember, everyone? Please help me. I know we're all very new, we're learning it. Where to click here? Where to click? Installation, right, isn't it? Right? Installation. Srinu, please check your mic, sir. Some background sound, please. Installation. What next, please? What next, please?
New installation.
New installation, exactly. Others, please help me. When clicking on new installation, you may see error like this, already running. If it is like this, already running, then close the other window. Close it. It's already done, right? You close it. Then happily proceed for installation. That's it. You'll do these things carefully and do let me know for questions if any. You have my WhatsApp number. I'll be sharing it on email today. We'll connect tomorrow again for doubts, clarifications. Any warnings, please ignore for now. These warnings we are going to address in the Monday's class. We need to do more detailed content analysis of this installation screens. For now, please complete the installation as per these notes. Remember, developer. What's the age of developer edition, please? Please, developer. What's the age? Please, I'll wait.
Lifelong free.
Lifelong free. Evaluation 6 months
6
trial.
months trial.
Others, please. Do you remember? Please. Others, I'll wait. Others, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Friends, others not responsive. You don't get the notes. No problem, right? See, it's a demo class. See, you like my demo, you join the course. I like your attendance. I take you to the course. This should be win-win, right? Chemistry should be there. Please understand my concern. Hence, we are completely into online because of all these nice chemistry rules. Enjoy, right? Please, everyday assignment, everyday submission. It's not a small pool cake. Need your support. You respond, you get it. Please help me. Database engine. We are going to explore more about this from next class throughout the course. Its database engine means OLTP, live real-time data we call it. What is it? Live real-time data. RDBMS comes from this topic. I repeat, what is that? Database engine, OLTP, real-time, RDBMS. Those concepts are actually evolved from database engine. Hence, in job requirements, we don't see database engine, but we see something called rapid transaction processing. This one. This is a keyword for job descriptions. Rapid transaction processing, we call it. Means RDBMS. Means OLTP. We have a nice diagrammatic understanding first 5 minutes of the next class on this component to start our practice. Select
What
a
is OLTP,
database
sir?
and DBA server 2. Give some name. Any name is fine. Next, we'll talk about the differences between these two in the Monday's class, first 30 minutes. I'll provide the notes today in advance. I repeat, in Monday's class, first 30 minutes, we need to learn the differences between these two and when to use which. I'll provide you the notes in advance today. Same installation notes, it has everything. Only part of installation chapter we are taking today. Remaining chapter, Monday's class. Okay, so leave these differences to me and next. Give some name, any name is okay, next. But no space in the server name, remember. No space. No space. Next. Please tell me, friends, what I have to do here. Please guide me. What I did and what I repeated a few minutes back. Please help me. Please, I'll wait. Yes, please, I'll wait. What we have to do?
Add current user.
Exactly, brother. You are right. Exactly.
Add
Okay.
current user as admin.
Exactly. Yes, you are right. Yes, we have to add current user. Okay. Current user. Click on current user, and these are the items parked for Monday's session. We need to learn everything slowly. There is no compromise. But I'll provide you all these notes in advance. Like what is file stream, what are data directories. You get all these items in advance. Today's class notes. Please take print. Install. Shall I repeat once again? Please let me know. Shall I repeat once again, or are we clear? Please let me know. I'll wait. Let me know, please. I'll wait. Tell me, please. Anything is fine. Please tell me. I'll wait.
We clear, sir.
Please let me know, friends. Attendees were responsive. Please tell me. Shall I repeat once again, or are we clear, please? Attendees were responsive. Please tell me. I'll wait, please.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Clear? Fine.
What
Click
is
on
OLTP?
Yes, sir.
install. Click on install. In fact, in Monday's class, we need to, do detailed installation actually. Okay, for third server. We'll do. For now, first two servers, please install, get it ready. Final part. Final part. Left side, I was showing something called tool, right? Like a browser accessing the website. tool accessing the server. This is the one. I'll provide you this download link also. Please install. No other steps. Just download, double click, start the installation. Download, double click and start installation. No extract, no setup, nothing like installation, new installation, nothing like that. Simply download, click start the install. In my case, it's asking to restart the computer. I will do and show you from here in the next class. So out of 4 boxes, we did only 2 boxes today. 3rd and 4th Monday's class, first 30 minutes. The next 30 minutes will slowly start our practice of database engine components. We'll stop for now. I need to send you the email with first introduction notes and number 2 detailed installation notes. Please make sure we get the things carefully. Email sent to everyone. Please check. I included one course curriculum also. Kindly take print copy of the course curriculum in addition to the class notes of today. Kindly check your emails. Make sure we receive the mails before we sign out of the class today. I'll wait. Please, over to you now. Any questions, let me know. Here are the installation steps.
I
Complete
didn't
detailed
receive any
documents.
email.
Might be on the way, sister. Already sent. Might be on the way. I'll wait for some time, please. I'll wait. I'll wait
Sir,
for some time. Tell me, sir.
one more doubt, sir.
Tell me,
Sir,
sir.
can we install directly on the laptop on Windows 10? I'm having Windows 10. Can I directly
We
install
can do,
the
no problem.
software on?
We can do. Any errors, brother, let me know. We can connect on Google Meet. We can resolve it. No issues. Okay. We can
Sure, sir.
install on Windows 10. It works. Yes.
Okay, sir. I thought like we need to install on the VMware. So
Oh,
I
no,
thought
not
like that.
required.
Yeah,
No,
okay.
I've never talked about VMware today, right? There was a question from one of the participants, and I was asking which VM it is. No, not required. I am
Okay.
not using any VM here. Not required, brother. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Regular Windows will
Okay, sir.
work. No problem. Yes, it works.
Okay, sir.
For the replication, if the configuration replication, then we need a VMware, right? For the
Not
node
required.
1, node 2,
No,
like
that's a
not
traditional
required.
learning. No. We have cloud now,
Okay.
right? I'll provide your cloud server to you. I said our online
Yeah.
server.
Okay.
See, very
Oh,
simple,
I.
Ganesh. You have your local
Okay.
server, our online server. Those two will work, right? Why do you
Yeah.
have VM again? Not required.
Yeah.
Get it?
Right.
See, traditional thinking is different. No, VM is old style. Okay, not required. No. Fine.
Yeah.
In real world, they don't use VM, right? They use remote computers, isn't it? Remote
Yeah.
data centers, right? Yes. Same thing.
Right.
For example, brother, I'm talking about this replication, right? Replication part you're talking about. Let me show you our class notes. You'll get some idea. Let me show you. Here it is.
Due to daily, I am activity like log shipping, DR activity,
Yeah,
lot
exactly.
of
I'm telling you the same.
configuration. So that time, yeah.
Yeah, log
That time I
shipping.
am facing a lot of the facing. So that's why.
I
Yeah.
understand, brother. I understand. Let me
Yeah.
put this way. For example, our replication. See, we have some server in USA. You want to replicate data to Canada or India, right? So that's how we do in our remote servers directly. We'll provide the access to it. Getting it now? We can do. Yes. Are you clear now, brother? Are you clear? We are doing it through remote. Okay. Yeah. Mic with you. Please check your mic, please. Yeah.
Yes.
Fine, sir.
Yeah. Got it.
Hope
Yeah.
you got the mail, please, everyone, please. Hope you got the email, everyone. I'll wait, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we got the mail.
Yes.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir.
Yes.
Am I troubling you? I'm forcing you all to respond. Am I troubling you? Yeah.
No, sir.
Please, our sake only, right? Isn't it? I should be cautious from day 1. You should be cautious from day 0. Then it works, right? Please help me. Thank you, friends. Have a nice time. Thank you so much. Yeah. So hope
Yeah.
you got the
Thank
mail.
you very much. Yes.
And you have my